Here's how to download the correct Canon printer drivers and install them properly. Open your browser and go to the Canon support website. Search for Canon support drivers and find the official Canon consumer product support page. Do not download drivers from any third-party site, since these often contain outdated or modified files. Before searching for your printer, check the model name on the printer itself. It is usually printed on the front panel or the top. Type your exact model number into the search bar on Canon's site, for example, TS3350, and select it from the results. Click on Drivers in the navigation, then select your operating system, Windows 10 or 11 for most users. Scroll down and look for the Setup package rather than individual driver files. The Setup package installs everything the printer needs in one go, including drivers and software, and handles network configuration automatically. Download the file and open it from your Downloads folder. Click Start Setup when prompted and follow the on-screen steps. The installer will download any additional components it needs from Canon servers automatically, so make sure you stay connected to the internet throughout. When prompted, confirm your printer is powered on and connected to your network. The installer detects it automatically and registers it for wireless printing. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.